Have you ever wondered how those gigantic ships fit through the Panama Canal? Well, let's dive into the story of a big transformation that made it all possible. Hey there, glad you're back with us on Tech Touch. Today's video holds a thrilling treat. We're diving into the captivating Panama Canal project, an amazing idea proposed by President Martin Torrijos in 2006. People loved it, giving a big yes in a 2006 vote. Construction began in 2007, but plans don't always follow the script, right? So what happened and how was this project constructed? All the details about this project are covered in this video, right now. But before we jump in, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, now's the perfect time. And don't forget to hit that bell icon too. The Panama Canal expansion, also called the Third Set of Locks project, set out to do something incredible: double the Panama Canal's capacity. This amazing project made it possible for much larger ships to sail through the canal, just like creating extra space in your closet for bigger clothes. This expansion officially started working its magic on June 26, 2016. The original Panama Canal had limitations due to its existing locks and growing ship sizes. Demand for the canal was increasing due to international trade growth. The expansion aimed to accommodate larger vessels and ensure a guaranteed service level. It was estimated that the canal would reach its maximum capacity around 2009 to 2012. The project aimed to allow larger ships, called New Panamax, to pass through the canal by building a third set of locks. The new locks were wider, deeper, and could handle ships about 1.5 times larger than the previous Panamax size, increasing the canal's capacity. The expansion project included several key elements. New locks and channels. The project built 2 new sets of locks on the Atlantic and Pacific sides. These lock complexes have 3 chambers, allowing vessels to move from sea to Gatun Lake's level. New access channels were excavated to link the new locks with existing sea entrances. Widening and deepening channels. Existing navigational channels were widened and deepened, enhancing navigation for larger ships. Raising Gatun Lake's level. The maximum operating water level of Gatun Lake was raised, expanding its usable water capacity and supporting the expanded canal's water system. The estimated expansion cost was around $5.25 billion in 2006. This covered design, construction, contingencies, and other expenses. Loans from various international financial institutions financed the project. The expansion was financially projected to be profitable, with revenue exceeding $6.2 billion by 2025. The project was managed by the Panama Canal Authority, or ACP. The construction generated temporary employment for around 35,000 to 40,000 workers during the peak of construction. Efforts were made to train Panamanians for the required workforce to meet the project's labor needs. The project's timeline faced delays due to various setbacks, including strikes, cost overruns, and disputes with the construction consortium. The initial completion date was intended to coincide with the Panama Canal's 100th anniversary in 2014. However, the expansion officially commenced commercial operations on June 26, 2016, due to complications like seepage from the new locks. Despite these challenges, the expanded canal successfully doubled its capacity. The new locks were designed with water-saving basins to reduce water consumption. The locks used gravity and valves to operate without the need for pumps. New navigational channels connected the new locks with the existing ones. Gatun Lake's water capacity was increased to ensure a sufficient water supply for the expanded canal. The ACP claimed that the project would not cause permanent harm to the environment, communities, or water quality. However, critics expressed concerns about potential environmental issues, including water quality problems in Gatun Lake. The expanded canal significantly impacted global trade routes. It allowed larger vessels, known as New Panamax ships, to transit, facilitating the movement of more cargo. The expansion's impact extended to economic growth in Panama, as increased canal income contributed to the country's development. The canal's competitive position improved, enabling it to accommodate growing demand and remain a vital world trade route. The Panama Canal expansion project aimed to address growing demand, accommodate larger vessels, and increase the canal's capacity. Despite delays and challenges, the project successfully opened the third set of locks in 2016, enabling larger ships to pass and secure the canal's role in global trade. The project's completion marked a significant milestone for Panama and the international maritime industry. Now it's your turn. What do you think about the impact of the expansion? Share your thoughts in the comment box below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon for more amazing content.